Stop scrolling. Seriously, before you buy any new phone, you need to see this. We've all been there, buying the latest flagship only for the real game changer to drop 6 months later. Well, that real game changer is officially in the pipeline. I'm talking about the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. The leaks are not just coming in, they're exploding. We're talking about a design overhaul, a battery breakthrough that will finally silence the critics, and a camera upgrade that honestly feels illegal. If you want to know if your next phone purchase is about to become obsolete, you have to watch this whole video. This is Tap Tech, and this is everything you need to know about the S26 Ultra before Samsung even admits it exists. The Samsung Galaxy S Ultra lineup is the benchmark for the entire Android world. It's where Samsung throws everything it has, creating a phone that's often more of a pocket computer than a simple smartphone. But let's be honest, the design language has been consistent. Reliable, yes, but boring. That is rumored to be over. For the S26 Ultra, Samsung appears to be embracing a significant aesthetic shift. The leaks from reliable sources point away from the current floating lens design. Instead, we are seeing CAD renders that suggest a unified, pill-shaped camera island. This is a massive change, giving the Ultra a more distinct, sophisticated look, perhaps even a slightly softer profile with more rounded edges, making a big phone feel much better in your hand. And if the rumors are right, the new design might actually make the Ultra slightly thinner than its predecessor, clocking in at under 8 mm. A thinner phone, yet packed with more tech? That's premium engineering. But the design is just the appetizer. The display is where Samsung always dominates, and the S26 Ultra is poised to raise the bar once again. We're looking at a 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, but the key lies in the technology beneath the glass. Whispers suggest a new color filter on encapsulation, or COE, depolarizer layer. Now, you don't need an engineering degree to understand this. It means less power consumption and even higher peak brightness. We're talking about a rumored peak brightness that could soar past the 3000 nit mark. Outdoor visibility will be completely solved, and HDR content will look more vibrant than anything else on the market. Crucially, there are also whispers of an upgraded 144Hz refresh rate, moving past the established 120Hz to offer the smoothest, most fluid scrolling experience ever seen on a Galaxy. But here is the feature that has everyone on the edge of their seat: the camera system. The Ultra model has always been about zoom and pure megapixel dominance. For the S26 Ultra, Samsung is reportedly going nuclear. While the main sensor may stick with an improved 200 megapixels, the periscope telephoto lens is the one getting the mind-blowing upgrade. Rumors point to a 200 megapixel sensor on the zoom lens itself. Not only would this allow for an insane 150x digital zoom with far better clarity, but the improvement in optical quality for the 5x and even a rumored 3x lens would be exponential. Cleaner, sharper, and dramatically better low-light performance across all zoom levels. This is a camera system built for professional creators and power users who want zero compromises on detail, regardless of the distance. Powering all this is the expected Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, or the next-generation Exynos 2600 in certain regions. Samsung is doubling down on its focus, AI. The S26 Ultra will run the new One UI 8.5 based on Android 16. This isn't just a slight software bump, this is a full-blown AI integration. Think about this: features like video generative fill to magic erase objects from your videos, not just photos, or adaptive OS DNA where the phone literally learns your unique habits, your swipe pressure, your preferred scroll speed, the exact time you panic when the battery hits 30%, and adjusts its power profile and performance in real time. This level of personalized, on-device AI is the true headline feature, promising a performance and efficiency curve that will leave every previous generation in the dust. And finally, the battery. It's the single biggest complaint with every super flagship. The S26 Ultra might finally fix it. While the cell size may hover around the familiar 5000 mAh mark, the underlying chemistry is changing. Rumors are strong for a shift to silicon-carbon (C/C) anodes. In plain language, this denser, more efficient battery technology translates to better real-world longevity. Combine that with the new, power-sipping display technology and the highly efficient Gen 5 chipset, and we could finally see the Ultra become a genuine two-day phone for even moderate users. They are also expected to bump up the wired charging to a faster rate, with some leaks suggesting 60W, a modest but essential upgrade that makes topping up that massive battery much quicker. The expected launch window remains consistent, a Galaxy Unpacked event in late January or early February of 2026. The price? Given the premium upgrades, particularly the new camera and AI capabilities, expect a slight bump. This is a phone for the buyer who accepts nothing less than the absolute cutting edge, and that technology comes at a cost. So, is the S26 Ultra worth waiting for? When you put a thinner, redesigned body, a 144Hz ultra-bright display, a camera system with a 200MP telephoto lens, a revolutionary C/C battery, and a true AI brain all together, it's not just an upgrade. It's the next era of the smartphone. Look, the evidence is compelling. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is not a marginal upgrade, it's a statement. It's Samsung firing back at the entire industry with a phone that is fundamentally different, pushing boundaries with AI and camera hardware we haven't seen before. The moment those official pre-order dates drop, this phone is going to sell out in key markets. Don't be the last to know. If you found this information valuable, smash the like button, it tells me to keep digging for these exclusive leaks. And more importantly, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you get the very next Tap Tech video the second it drops. What feature are you most excited about? The camera, the design, or the new battery tech? Drop your vote in the comments below. I'll be reading every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.